Hello, guys. Welcome to Monitoring and Evaluation Made Simple. I'm your host, Coach Alexander. If you're here for the very first time, please do to subscribe to this channel because on a regular basis, I post updates on monitoring and evaluation. Today, we're going to be looking at a snap view of a course that I created I think some many months ago, monitoring and evaluation written test questions and answers. The link is in the description below. I wanted to give you just a preview of some of the questions that actually are in this course. But as you can see, it is free because I have free access. I'm the creator. But if you want to have access to this course, you have to pay for it, but it's not a lot of money because I'm telling you at Udemy, they do things for damn cheap. So now I just wanted to show you some of the practice monitoring and evaluation written test questions and answers that can help you improve on the way you actually respond to different questions. Okay. So if you don't have an account, usually what you have to do, you need to enroll. But if you don't have an account with Udemy, I can leave the link in the description so that you can also create an account. So all you do is type your name, email, and password. So I already have an account with these people. So all I'm going to do now is I'm going to go straight to the questions. Okay, so just give me a few seconds. Hi guys, welcome back. And I've just enrolled into my own course, which I created. So this is a very interesting course. Actually, it's not a video course per se, but all you just have to do is answer the questions and you get the results. Um, you get the results instantly, and that's why I like this so much. So I'm just going to give you a snapshot of some of the questions that are found in this course. There are different categories. You've got practice test one, which talks about the basics of monitoring and evaluation. You've got practice test two, which talks about section on key performance indicators. Then you've got the monitoring and evaluation system. Then you've got the monitoring and evaluation for professionals. Then you've got practice tests for a situation analysis, okay, situational questions. So I thought maybe let's go to the situational questions because those are the nice, exciting ones. But these are more on academics. But the situational questions are usually the ones which give you a given situation and you need to answer best to your knowledge, based on your knowledge. So let's just go there. Okay. So it's going to load it. So it tells you that you have 1 hour to complete these 13 questions and 60% correct required to pass. So this is why I like Udemy. And it gives you your results instantly. Okay. So actually, it's not money. It's why can't I go there? It's refusing for me to go there. Okay, so maybe we'll have to do the monitoring and evaluation for professionals. Okay, so let's begin the test. So this is how it works. So take for instance, and this is what I love. They give you a time. Okay, you have 1 hour to complete the test. This is what I love, guys. They give you a real life situation of how you need to finish this test. Okay, so let's tackle the first question. What's the difference between an M&D framework, performance framework, and a performance monitoring plan? Okay, so I guess you have the answers, I hope, but there are two answers. The first one says the M&D framework measures program performance, and the others measure staff performance. Okay, all right, and the B one says only the M&D framework has inputs and process, outputs, outcome, and impact. Okay, so what do you think, guys? What do you think is the difference between M&D framework and performance framework? Well, let's say you say B. Okay, let's say B is the question, the answer. Okay, so you answer B. All right. So now you go to the next question. By the way, I know all the answers, but I just want to, make sure you understand that this is actually a test. Okay. So you go to the next question. It says, which tools are useful for a situational analysis prior to planning a project program? Okay. So which tools are good for situational analysis? And let me ask you that question. Which tools are good? Okay. Let's say you say situation analysis, you've got stakeholder analysis. I would go for all of the above. Okay. So a good monitoring system helps answer which of the following questions. All right. Is the project progressing according to schedule? B, have periodic benchmarks been met? C, is the project under or over achieving output targets? I think I would go for all of the above. On what stage of a program should monitoring take place? Okay. It should take place throughout the program. What are the three main components of a results framework? This is interesting, guys. And so you can see these questions are actually tricky. You know, I created them, but I can already feel like they are tricky. Yeah, so I'll go for A. So let's just answer carelessly here. Let's just answer carelessly. I want you to see how this thing works. I want you to appreciate how this whole thing works. Okay, so we're just going to be answering all of them carelessly, um, so that you just see what I'm trying to talk about. Okay, so the last question we put two. So you say finish test. So are you sure you want to finish? You may still review the answers. So you say finish test. So now guess what? Ta-da! And actually, we failed. You see, you only got 30% correct. And look at it, the first four were actually correct, the ones I answered. It's interesting because I thought that I actually got those wrong. So you can see this is really a good tool. And the interesting thing is that you can actually retake the test until you get perfect at it. You see what I'm saying, guys? So I really want you to consider enrolling in this monitoring and evaluation written test questions and answers. I think it's going to help you amplify your skills. But I wanted also to show you something that this is not on Udemy. So I wanted to show you something else, guys, that on Udemy, you can actually get additional courses, uh, the courses that I've done. So you can actually, when you go to Udemy, all you have to do is on this search bar, all you have to do is type coach coach Alexander. Okay, and Udemy is going to give you all the courses that have been done. All right. So there is how to set up a monitoring and evaluation system step by step. You've got the basics of monitoring and evaluation. You've got project monitoring and evaluation for beginners, impact evaluation in project management, key performance indicators in project management, project monitoring and evaluation for professionals, monitoring and evaluation written test questions and answers, the logical framework approach in project management, fundamentals of social impact, project baseline, how to write an effective research paper, learn survey design, and workshop facilitation in project management. Then you've also got introduction to econometrics. So, you know, guys, all these courses have been highly rated. Of course, you'll find that some are low in rating, and I can tell you why, because sometimes the sound quality is not to the best. But in terms of content, in terms of knowledge, these courses are really, really good. I would urge you to enroll for them. If you've noticed, most of them are going at $11, $15. So I've got 14 courses of the 14 courses of this nature. So in short, if you want to get all of them, you have to pay something like $100. But listen to this, guys. If you enrolled for the 3 months coaching program with me, or the 6 months coaching program, which is valued, the 6 months program is valued at $600. The 3 months is valued at $300. So if you enroll in the $300 program, let's say for 3 months, you pay that $300, you get access to this all for free. On top of that, you get a certificate, and then on top of that, you get personal one-on-one coaching with me. I've got people who've really appreciated the coaching program, and I really want to appreciate having these students because they are always supporting what I do. So, guys, if you're interested to have these courses, please write to me. Okay, please write to me at Coach Alexander. I can even give you some of these courses for free. I mean, no, not for free, of course, but at a good discount. So please write to me. Let's discuss. Let's talk. Don't feel shy. I'm telling you, you're going to get the maximum benefit by working with me. At this point, I want to say thank you to my dear fans. And guess what? We hit 10,000 subscribers this month on YouTube. So I'm so grateful for everything you've done. At this point in time, until we meet again, I've been your host, Coach Alexander, and see you on the other side. Bye.